How to make your iPhone run faster. Your iPhone is a powerful device, but it can start to feel sluggish over time. Here are some tips and tricks to help you speed it up. Close unused apps. When you open an app, it stays running in the background even if you switch to another app. This can use up memory and make your iPhone run slower. To close an app, double-click the home button and swipe up on the app's preview. Delete old messages. Messages with photos, videos, and other media can take up a lot of space. To delete old messages, open the Messages app and tap Edit in the top right corner. Then, select the messages you want to delete and tap Delete. Turn off Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh allows apps to update themselves in the background, even when you're not using them. This can use up battery and data, and it can also slow down your iPhone. To turn off Background App Refresh, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh and toggle off the apps you don't want to update in the background. Reduce motion. Reducing motion can help to speed up your iPhone by making animations less complex. To reduce motion, go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion and toggle off Reduce Motion. Clear the cache. The cache is a temporary storage area for data that is used by apps. When the cache gets too large, it can slow down your iPhone. To clear the cache, go to Settings, General Greater than iPhone Storage and tap on an app. Then, tap on Offload app to remove the app's data from your iPhone but keep the app itself. If you've tried all of these tips and your iPhone is still running slowly, you may need to update your software. To update your software, go to Settings, General, Software Update and tap on Download and Install. By following these tips, you can help to keep your iPhone running fast and smooth.